a visit and they want to learn more about Super Gro. So they said, no, I should give you a call so that they may hear from you direct.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So how was your poultry farming went with the Super Gro, and what was the difference as you used Super Gro to any other chemicals?
The first time I got to know about Super Gro, it was
yes,
on social media.
Okay.
Through Mr. Hambuto's page on Facebook.
Oh, okay.
Then from there, I think I contacted him. I got his contact through the media.
Wonderful.
Then I called him.
Wonderful.
And then I inquired on how good Super Gro is. He explained.
Okay.
And from there, I thought, no, I should not fear.
Yeah.
Let me make a step and see how this product is working.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So that's how I called him, and he said, you can try it. So that's how I sent him money. I think the first time I did that, I got a small bottle.
It was how many mils? Or how many liters?
It should be a 250 mils.
Oh, okay.
If I'm not mistaken, the smallest.
Oh, yes, it is 250 mils.
And it was my first time to use that product, and I had a batch of broilers.
Wow.
And that's how he instructed to say the first 5 days. Is it 3 days? The first 3 days.
First 5 days.
You put Super Gro. Then after 2 weeks, you just give plain water. Then after 2 weeks again, you repeat the dosage you put for 5 days.
Okay.
That's how I followed those instructions. And it was a period when it was hot here in Chirundu.
Oh, okay.
So my beds grew very well. And from that time, from the onset of my project, I did not administer any antibiotic or any vaccine.
Serious?
Yes.
Even gumburo and whatever asota, you didn't use it?
No.
Oh.
I didn't administer any Newcastle or any gumboro.
Oh, okay.
And my beds by 4th week, after 1 month, my beds were able to go on the market without putting any gumboro, any Newcastle.
Serious?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
And the challenges that I had before, my beds were actually, the broilers, when I keep broilers, they were developing the head. The head was actually getting big.
Oh, they were having swollen heads.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So the moment I administered that, I never had, the batch had never had any bed that was rimping or any bed that had developed that big head.
That is wonderful.
And from there, that's how now I started selling my beds.
As if they were 5 years old.
That it was the hot season here in Chirundu. That's how I lost a bit of them. But otherwise, that product is okay.
Wow,
I've used it before, and I'm able to give a story about how good it is.
Wonderful news to hear from. What of mortality, even the way they would grow in terms of their activeness or fitness?
In terms of mortality, I can't say there is no breed that does not have mortality.
Yes, we mean like the rate.
That depends on your management.
Yes.
But with the use of that product, the mortality is actually reduced.
Wow.
So it depends on how your management is, how good you keep your poultry is.
Wow.
So if you maintain your hygiene, of course, you reduce your mortality in your poultry.
Wow, that's good. And we are so glad that we are hearing from you as a user.
So what I can advise the people is you maintain good hygiene in the poultry, and also the use of this product. Then you have your batch grow very well without any problems.
Oh, that's good. There are some people who would doubt, like, maybe how possible is it that we have not even to give Gumburo or Newcastle?
No, I've used that product.
Wow.
I never used Gumburo. I never used any vaccines, but the birds were able to grow without any problems, without any disease.
That is very good. Maybe they would want to have one-on-one call with you. Could you please assist us with your line so that maybe at their own free time they can call to confirm more?
There's no problem.
Yes, okay, then you can go
and
on.
Probably what they can do is to try, because everything is trying and it is also risky.
Yes.
So failure to risky is you are failing to develop, to move ahead.
Absolutely.
So let him also try, get a small bottle, let him use it. Then with time, he's going also to give a story as well.
That is wonderful. That is a good encouragement that I've ever liked.
But otherwise, you can give him the line if he so wish that he can call me at his own time.
He can jot it. I think you can just say, okay, 09 Shanshan, then.
Okay. My line is 0970 29 18 42. Yes.
You'll be able to be catched through Mr. Hibanyama. So we are so grateful, sir, that we've given the right description, and that's the way to go. I hope you are, as we are going further, you are also going to increase in terms of getting Super Gro and use it in your poultry so that we may reduce some of the wastes, some of unnecessary cost.
Yeah, actually, I'm still coming because I have another batch of broilers. I'm still, as I told you in the morning to say, I'm actually at the farm trying to do some irrigation in terms of the crop that I have. Yeah. So I should be able to give you to buy another bottle. It's either tomorrow or the other day.
You are most welcome, and you'll be so happy to see how they will be growing as well as you are happy to share what you did at the first.
So I'll definitely come and get another boat.
Wow, thank you so very much, sir, and we wish you a very fruitful day. We'll be so glad to have you saved.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much.
You're most welcome.
Right.
That is how it is. That is how it is. Maybe we go to another one. Doing it to the high level. Thank you so very much. Please be with me. Hello, Moka Bwanja, Madam Gladys. Tauka bueno. Okay, vimachitika. Tata tibafunse kuli bamene batitandalira lero bafuna abapunzire kai baona kudala nguza metri nazo manje bafuna bapunzire kuli mu amene munagurako kuti tizimverere na benda amene wanatenga so that palibe problem tizabafunsa kuti nanga pamene wanatenga Super Gro mortality yao inankala bwanji nanga zenzo kufa amene zenzo fera poyamba. Number 2 nanga kakulidi zaka kaka ina kenze bwanji. Then number 3 pamene wanapeleka pa market zinaenda bwanji. Okay. So tampasirani phone yanu mungatirondolere tina baveve bamvera.
Super Gro mwanji mungache manina vira ku 7 time. Naona nyapuno manyingi kuchira na mankala menini 7.
Okay.
Ndaba nguku kuduta tizinkare ziri papetaiti okufa vija zikula bwino macheti ozinkala zolema.
Okay.
Olo pamini nasipeleka pa market tinafika pa market kapenzi 0506 set nguku zasira nosira
zonse.
Okay. 5 weeks nguku nshi kunika wambuziri.
Oh, that is wonderful.
So chadosonga clean poultry simunkala doti. Bakude sivisho tamanzi.
Yeah.
Kuzaona Super Gro ili buno kakonkana nayo buno bwino.
Okay. Baphunzira tili pamodzi. So munatenga nkuku zeze zingati then munagula Super Gro yambiri bwanji?
Ati
Nkuku zeze zingati then munatenga Super Gro yambiri bwanji?
Nkuku zenze 165. And then Super Gro nagula ka 1 liter.
1 liter. Okay.
And then yane nasebenzesa paka nkuku za sira na kusala kutuna salama.
Okay. Chawa maningi. So like mnanga mortality mnabwera mankana mortality since mwakamba utauti mwenzo konza mshemushe mukati mfunika mwachita mini vamene mutiwo zandi vamene mwenzo chita nanga mortality mnabwera mankana ingati pali 165?
Ni kamozi chabe.
Okay. Okay, then nanga kuti kuonekele pamene munatutenga kuti tuonekele utapatwa mbokula tuchinja fast unatekeka madeza ngati after mwambo tupasira Super Gro?
After natutenga panatutekebe 2 days so twamboneka active na kuoneka kuti twamba kukula hapa.
Okay. Nanga pamene mwenze
active maningi.
Chawama hicho. Nanga pamene mwenze mkalibe mwatenga kapena mwenzo wada wota uti mwatinga chitike mwenzo mdamangano nzi ya bwanji pa first.
Pa first nine nenzo doubt. Tubati chanesi okay nenzo doubt hapo pangono but futi nenzo ngala na hope just that senfa ya bebu ndaba. Na bwana ona mwamene nakwira naonera zanu nkuku so ndi pani zina nipasa chilimbikiso.
Pamene munabwera oro munaviona samwe.
Sorry?
Pamene munabwera kufamu oro munaziona chabe samwe.
Pamene munabwera kufamu kwanu.
Oro pamene munaviona kufamu kwatu munafika kufamu oro munaziona chabe pa Facebook kapena pa WhatsApp?
Ninaziona pa Facebook.
Okay.
Depa nina bana zionera depa nina bana kutumira ni phone naziona pa Facebook. Depa netina kambisana paka na indogula mankwala na yini.
Okay.
Na 7 days.
Tamikira maningi otherwise bamvera tili pamozi na benango panja bazamvera kutoka nshicha mechi kambwa nchamene chiamikira kapena bangafune kumufunsikisane mweka please mungati uzeko namba yanu so that maybe bamutumira ntu atifuna timviseze pale Super Gro pamene mwenzo londola na bajoni munasebenzesa bwanyi mungati pasile namba yanu?
No ningapunde
mungatipundire
0975
42 30 33. Tayamikira maningi ndiye mwamene tifunikira bamene bazamutumirani mubarondolera kodi mwamene isebenzera so that nabe bankali na chichetekero tiendere pamoza otherwise niwo yamikira kuti tinakumana munabura mwatitira sita mwatenga mwasebenzesa andi maliza utankalamushe.
Awo ni abwino cheso afunika no doubt bazozonera beka bakagula.
Chawama maningi. Chawama maningi ngawe tayamikira mwandi potipasira mawu anu o response yanu.
Awe sikomo.
Sure maningi. Chitaoga ya mwakubona Super Gro. Kampere habo Super Gro munkuku yenu. Kulipa nkuku zanga chapega nzoni tuwana za chitabanja. Just use Super Gro. You've seen the way it is even walking. He is failing to make a stand properly. This is not a mere chicken. Good and big chicken. For example, if you are to eat just from the taste, you'd say today I'll eat chicken, tomorrow I'll eat chicken, just like that. It's only that the diet it won't allow you to be eating chicken every day. Otherwise, you